Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 26th August. Let's start. In the year of 1303, on this day Chittorgarh was captured by Alauddin Khilji. In the year of 1541, on this day Sultan Suleiman of Turkey annexed Buda and Hungary. In the year of 1676, on this day Robert Walpole, the first Prime Minister of Britain, was born. In the year of 1910, on this day, Mother Teresa, who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize and Bharat Ratna, was born. Mother Teresa was born in Skopje to an ethnic Albanian family. In the year of 1914, on this day, revolutionaries of Bengal attacked the British fleet in Calcutta and looted 50 Mauser and 46,000 rounds of bullets. In the year of 1920, on this day, women got suffrage in America. In the year of 1953, on this day, Karmendu Sisir, a humble Hindi story writer, critic, and researcher, was born. In the year of 1972, on this day, the 20th Olympic Games were held in Munich, Germany. In the year of 1978, on this day, John Paul became Pope of the Roman Catholic Church. In the year of 1982, on this day, Telesat F was launched by NASA. In the year of 1988, on this day, Myanmar's non-violent leader Aung San Suu Kyi reached Rangoon with a front. In the year of 1999, on this day, Michael Johnson set a world record in the 400 meters. In the year of 2002, on this day, the 10-day Earth Summit began in Johannesburg, South Africa. In the year of 2004, on this day, Germany won its first Olympic women's field hockey gold medal with a 2-1 win against the Netherlands in Athens. In the year of 2007, on this day, US-led forces killed 12 Taliban on the Pak-Afghan border. In the year of 2013, on this day, all 25,000 applicants to the University of Liberia failed the university's entrance exam. In the year of 2015, on this day in Virginia, USA, WDBJ TV journalist Alison Parker and cameraman Adam Ward were shot and killed by a former colleague. In the year of 2017, on this day, violent clashes broke out in Panchkula following the conviction of spiritual leader Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, in which 31 people were killed and 120 were hospitalized. In the year of 2017, on this day, Women's Rugby World Cup, New Zealand Black Ferns beat England 41-32 in the Rugby World Cup final match in Belfast. In the year of 2018, on this day, Australian Foreign Minister Julie Bishop resigns after losing the Liberal Party leadership battle. In the year of 2019, on this day, Indonesian President Joko Widodo proposes relocating the country's sinking and overcrowded capital Jakarta to the island of Borneo, Kalimantan. In the year of 2020, on this day, West Indies all-rounder Dwayne Bravo became the first bowler to take 500 wickets in T20 cricket. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Ministry of Culture had created 7 new circles of the Archaeological Survey of India. These 7 new circles are Raiganj, Trichy, Rajkot, Jhansi, Jabalpur, Meerut and Hampi. In the year of 2020, on this day, acquisition on behalf of Lightstone Global Fund of for certain equity stake by Lightstone Fund SA was approved by Competition Commission of India (CCI). That's all. Thanks for watching and support.